Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a VIVO V60E and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. So let's begin with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. Just tap on your contacts and find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it. I'll pick this one. Then something's wrong. Just give me a second. Yeah, something was wrong. Okay, so we can use this one. Now all we have to do is to tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon in the right upper corner. And now let me quickly remove everything, so you will be able to see how it looks like when you do not have any kind of photo assigned. So we can either choose the calling card or picture. I will focus on the picture. However, after that, I'll show you also how to use the calling card. So let's tap on the circle here on the left. And now we've been transferred to the section from which we can choose the photo from. So here we've got device photos. You can directly open your camera, your gallery and choose something from it, or open the camera and take a photo of someone who's right in front of you. In Google Photos, you've got basically backed up photos. Here we've got monograms. So we can choose, we can tap here and we can enter whatever you'd like to actually. Could be something like that. You can change the background color. You can also change the font, so you can make it a little bit more bold or I don't know, how is it called? I mean, you can change the font according to your needs. You can also tap on the emoji and you can use the something from available emojis. Just tap on it and here you've got plenty of options to choose from. So it will really probably it will take time to decide which emoji is the best. So if you've got something which really resembles you about the person, it's quite nice to use it. Here again, and the background colors, and here you can use something called monochrome, and basically if this option is turned off, you've got the emoji, and after tapping on it, it will simply switch to the icon style, I would say. And here you've got illustrations also. So those are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo, you do not really want to use monogram, you can use something from those options. You can search for some nice pictures like, I don't know, this koala bear, this doggo, quite a lot of beautiful options. I'll pick those. Prayer dogs. Here you've got presets, so you can change the colors of the background and of the character on it. And it doesn't matter whether you will use the illustration or your own photo, you will be able to crop the picture. So you can zoom it in or out. You can also change the position of it, and thanks to it you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because basically this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose if you're ready. And as you can see, we've got our photo assigned, and tap on save in the right upper corner. So this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, doing all incoming calls from that specific number. And I promised you that I will show you the calling card, which is right here. So let's simply tap on this plus icon. Here we've got the screen of how our device will look like when this person is calling. So for example, if we've got the profile picture set, here we can set a pretty background, I don't know, with the forest, with clouds. It's completely up to you. You can pick something from the gallery, you can take a photo, and you can choose something from the from your backed up photo. So as you can see, we do not have the option to choose the illustration, for example, or use the monogram. So you need to use your own photo here. So for example, I can open the camera. Let me quickly just take a picture, something like that. Okay, tap on OK. And as you can see, it will appear here. Of course, you can zoom it in or out. You can change the position of the photo. Again, you can change the font in which your contact will appear, and you can also change the color of the font. So as you can see, quite a lot of customization. Tap on done if you're ready. Your device will ask you if you also want to use this photo. as a contact picture, but I will skip it because I would like to leave those prayer dogs here. So as you can see, we've got two different options applied. Of course, remember to tap on save, and the calling picture will appear at the top. And right here, we've got our contact photo. That was complicated. All right, so thank you so much for watching. That will be all. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.